Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best above-ground pool is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your backyard, offering endless fun and relaxation for the entire family without the commitment and cost of a permanent in-ground installation. Imagine transforming your ordinary yard into a personal oasis where you can cool off on hot summer days, host unforgettable pool parties, or simply unwind with a good book and a refreshing drink. These pools provide a fantastic way to enjoy the benefits of swimming right at home, creating lasting memories and enhancing your outdoor living space with a splash of joy and vibrant activity for everyone to share and cherish. Number 5. Intex 56508 EP Inflatable Volleyball Game. Get ready for endless summer fun with this complete inflatable volleyball set. It's perfect for your swimming pool and designed for maximum enjoyment. Setting up and storing this game is a breeze. The inflatable poles deflate quickly, making it convenient to take anywhere. Don't worry about the net moving during intense games. You can attach weights to keep it securely in place, ensuring uninterrupted play. This set includes a durable net made from high-quality vinyl, along with an inflatable ball. A repair patch is also included for peace of mind. For even more stability, the poles feature grommets at the bottom. This allows you to easily attach anchors if you desire extra security. Elevate your pool parties with this exciting volleyball game. It's the perfect addition for family gatherings and friendly competitions. What we like? This is a fun, inflatable volleyball set for your pool. It's easy to deflate and store when not in use. If you're looking for a way to add some friendly competition and active play to your pool time, this is a great choice. It's perfect for families or groups who enjoy games and want to make their pool experience more engaging. What people say? The net held up nicely. We were super impressed with this, and for $10 too. The fact that we could just put this inflatable net anywhere we wanted was great. We put it in the shallow end so the girls could easily participate. The ball was great to teach the girls how to serve, plus they were easily able to volley it back. Also, no one was hurt if they got hit with the ball. Number 4. Intex Kool Splash Inflatable Water Slide Pool. Get ready for endless summer excitement with this inflatable water slide. It's the perfect way to make a splash, whether you're at the pool or the lake. Crafted from super strong vinyl with reinforced seams, this slide is designed for durability. It can hold up to 176 pounds, ensuring fun all summer long. With 5 air chambers for extra safety and built-in sprayers, the fun never stops. Just connect a garden hose to keep the surface wet and exciting. Heavy-duty climbing handles make reaching the top a breeze. Plus, the soft landing pad and stepping mat provide extra comfort and security. This versatile slide is designed to fit most in-ground and above-ground pools. It's ready to bring a whole new level of fun to your backyard. Don't worry about minor wear and tear. A repair patch kit is included to keep the fun going all season. What we like? This inflatable water slide brings exciting sliding fun right to your pool. It features built-in sprayers that keep the surface wet and enjoyable. If you have kids aged 6 and up, or even adults who love a good splash, this is a fantastic addition for endless summer entertainment. It's designed for durability and safety, making it a worry-free choice for active water play. What people say? This slide is a great addition to our above-ground pool. It was easy to assemble and looks great. The slide is very sturdy and my kids love it. It's a fun way to get them in and out of the pool. We've had this slide for a few weeks now and it's holding up well. It's made of durable material and seems like it will last for a long time. Number 3. Pool Slide Water Tubing Kit. Want to add more excitement to your pool days? This kit ensures a consistently wet and slick slide surface, providing endless fun for everyone all day long. Everything you need is right here. The kit includes 2 water spray nozzles, a 14-foot flexible tubing, and a garden hose connector for easy setup. With 2 different sized nozzles, it's designed to work with various slide styles, ensuring optimal water coverage whether your slide has a higher spray port or a lower spray spot. Crafted with quality materials, this kit features a tight gasket seal and perfectly molded components. You can count on a secure fit with no leaks at the tubing joints. Getting your slide ready for action is a breeze. It fits most straight or curved pool slides and comes with clear instructions for a fast and easy assembly. Please note the different nozzle sizes and ensure they are connected correctly. Proper positioning is key to make sure the water sprays the slide surface effectively, not everywhere else. What we like. This is a spray hose kit designed to enhance your existing pool slide. It ensures the slide surface stays wet and slick for continuous fun. If you already have a pool slide and want to add more excitement with a constant water flow, this kit is perfect. It's ideal for families who want to maximize their sliding experience and keep the fun going all day long. What people say. The ladder is very sturdy and well built. It was easy to assemble and install. The steps are wide and provide good traction. Number 2. PLATPORTS Kids Backyard Playground Slide. Keep your kids entertained for hours with this amazing play equipment. It's perfect for those times when outdoor play isn't an option, providing safe and engaging fun right in your backyard or even indoors. This isn't just fun, it's a fantastic way for children to develop essential motor skills, balance, and coordination. Watch them burn energy and gain agility, all while having a blast. Your child's safety is our top priority. It features a stable design with deep sides, easy-to-climb steps, and smooth handrails, exceeding safety standards for peace of mind. Constructed with premium, durable materials, this play equipment is built to withstand years of fun. Plus, assembly is a breeze with our clear, step-by-step video guide. Looking for the ultimate gift? This is it. It's the ideal present for birthdays or holidays, offering long-lasting entertainment for children aged 3 to 10. Make entertaining kids a breeze, whether it's a regular day or a special party. This provides instant fun for one child or a group, ensuring smiles all around. What we like. This is a versatile kids slide that can be used both indoors and outdoors. It's designed to help children develop gross motor skills and coordination. If you're looking for safe, electronic-free entertainment for your children ages 3 to 10, especially during times when outdoor play might be limited, this is an excellent option. It provides hours of fun and helps kids burn off energy. What people say. The ladder is sturdy and well-made, providing a secure way to enter and exit the pool. Easy to assemble and install, took less than 30 minutes. The steps are wide and deep enough for comfortable footing, even when wet. Number 1. S.R.Smith Cyclone Right Curve Pool Slide. Introducing the Cyclone Right Curve Pool Slide from S.R.Smith. Get ready for hours of fun with this compact slide, perfect for any pool. Its elegant rotomolded design ensures both strength and durability. This slide is ideal for limited deck space, bringing big fun to smaller areas. Standing at 4 feet, 1 inch tall, it features a flume length of 6 feet, 10 inches. Experience a thrilling ride every time you use it. It's designed to accommodate sliders weighing up to 175 pounds. Safety and enjoyment are paramount with this pool accessory. Installation is required to get started. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 3-year warranty. What we like. This is a compact pool slide designed for strength and durability. Its right curve is ideal for limited deck space. If you have an above-ground pool with a smaller deck area but still want to add the thrill of a slide, this is a great solution. It offers a fun way to enter the pool and is built to last. What people say. Slide is made well and kids love it. Seems well built, was easy to install, and the kids love it. Well-made product, very easy to put together. Straightforward instructions. The color matches our patio perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.